Hey, if you want to edit your quick settings shortcuts on the POCO X6 Pro, all you have to do is just to swipe until you find the edit button. So now click on this edit button, and if you want to remove any from these shortcuts, for example, honestly I'm not using the airplane mode, the mute mode, also I'm not using the hotspot settings, wallet, and the nearby share. Now if I want to bring here some options that I'm using, like NFC, performance mode, the vibrations, and also from here I'm using the focus mode. Now if I want to save the settings, or for example change position of these icons, I have to click and hold and then move this icon wherever I want. And then I have to click here, and as you can see right now it is finished. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.